Hey guys, how are you? Good afternoon on a Saturday, beautiful Saturday. Actually, it's not freezing out and no snow today up here in New England, in New Hampshire. But I thought it would be a good time just to go over some food prices. And I have Shaw's. I've done some of these videos, and I saw people liked them. We got Market Basket, and I have a Hannaford's. Okay, guess I could start here with the Hannaford's. And we're gonna compare the three things that I like to look for. First of all, is whole food, natural food. I run a restaurant. I've been a food purchaser for over 40 years, and learning about all the different foods out there. I'm also carnivore diet, keto diet. I try to eat healthy. I try to shop safely because you can go to the supermarket and get robbed. So got to be careful. A lot of people think that buying whole food is more expensive than buying processed food, you know, um, and the right food, and also understanding the prices. Okay. Usually on the face of these papers, you'll see the discounts to draw you in. That's what they're there for. I always look for a discount. Oh, I got a fresh ground sirloin. Now the thing that caught my eye here is 90% lean. 90% lean ground sirloin. $3.97. That's a great deal. Great for meatballs. Meatloaf. You can incorporate another meat into those if you want to do some ground pork, But you can incorporate, use some grass-fed butter and incorporate some fat in this. But the price is phenomenal, right? $3.97. That's saving you several dollars, as it says, several dollars off, which is $6, right? So you're getting a $3.97. 90%. I look at that. I try not to eat anything less than 80. But if it depends on what I'm doing, hamburgers, unless you're going to be incorporating some butter into them, I don't go lower than 80%. But on a lean, beautiful lean meat, you can incorporate some fats if you want. But with meatballs, you don't have to use fatty. You want more leaner, right? So let's see here. We got some grapes. Again, I also look at the food and what its value is to you. Got some beautiful fish. The other thing is, what's this mean? Is this wild what? From the Wild West? It says fresh, Icelandic, cod fillet. All right. Need to find out, first of all, fresh is supposed to mean unfrozen. Right? Wild, what are they trying to say? Is it wild caught, but it doesn't say wild caught, So you have to be careful of what you're buying. First, also you're paying $9 a pound for it. Fish is very expensive. Now, if you have any access to fresh fish from a local fish market, is your best bet. If you're lucky enough to live near the coast and all, what have you. I love Atlantic. Now this is Icelandic, not Atlantic cod. We used to catch hundreds and hundreds and hundreds in the springtime right off of Brant Rock, Massachusetts. And I was a fisherman when I was younger, in my younger days. Anyhow, let's see. We got some bacon. We're gonna pay extra money for Oscar Mayer. It's a brand name. You don't have to get Oscar Mayer, but you can see you remember we had a bacon thing going on a year or two ago where this bacon was double this. $9, $10, $12 a pound. It's come down. How could bacon go to $12 a pound and come down? Supply, demand. But a lot of these prices, high prices that are going on with inflation, the companies are causing the inflation, not that there's a demand aspect for it. They raise prices to get as much profit as possible. If you see something that's too much money, don't buy it. Don't buy it. What else we have here? We have chicken tenders. Okay. Boneless pork sirloin chop, $2.99. That's okay. That's decent. Some nice healthy meat right there. Right. You got some shrimps. You got $26.30. They're okay. They're medium. Remember, the smaller that number, the bigger the shrimp. Smaller that number, the bigger the shrimp. That's number of shrimp per pound. Okay, guys, number of shrimp per pound. And these are sold in a 2-pound bag, but $6.99. Hey, it's an inexpensive seafood right now. You know, shrimp. And again, they're cooked? Okay. Hopefully they're not. They flash freeze them, and they actually, when you thaw them, they could be 25-30% water. You know, so you're paying water for that too. Is it better to buy a fresh, beautiful, fresh shrimp and steam them yourself? Yes. Okay. And yeah, great recipes with a little black pepper, maybe a little onion, and you can make yourself a seasoned broth to steam them. Some celery, okay, and then I like to put a little lemon in the water, or cut a couple of things of lemon up and put a little piece of lemon in the water. Then you can have some lemon on the side, because I like doing fresh lemon on my shrimp if I'm having them in a cocktail, you know, and cocktail sauce with my horseradish. I love my horseradish. But we're not getting too far here. Well, the Cokes, I don't buy the name brand sodas. They're too expensive. $10-12 for a 12-pack. Look, they don't even put the price there anymore. Get two. Buy two, get two free? Is that what it says? Buy two, get two free? I guess. I wonder what you're paying for it. They don't even put the price. So, buy two. They don't put prices. They just tell you get two. You know, a lot of these guys, they lift the price up to give you the discount. So what good is that? You know, so you're buying 4 at the same price as buying 2 times 2. You know, they raise the price to give you a discount. Beer, we know what alcohol does. Bread, probably the worst bread you can put in your mouth. White bread. Boy, there was something here I was going to say I saw. Let me see where it is here. We got cold cuts. Little higher on that. What is that, a ham? You can get ham for $2 a pound, folks. $3 a pound. You bake it beautiful and cut it yourself. Cheeses are about $4 or $5. You know. The harder the cheese, the better it's for you. Harder the cheese, the better it's for you. Right? Breads. I'm a carb-free, so I don't eat bread. And they're talking about bamboo fiber out there to make some carb-free, beautiful bread. Bamboo fiber, folks. What do we got here for $16? Bar cake. Whatever that is. Probably not necessary to put in your body, some of the stuff. V8. How much sugar is in that, right? Vegetable juice. Wonder how much water. This is all sugar. This is all sugar. And what are they saying about sugar? It can cause brain damage, especially to developing minds. Grocery favorites. Going along. What is this? Fab 5? Mix and match. And this is through our famous Shaw's. Let me see. Buy 5. What does it do? You have to buy 5 for that price? No. Oh, you get. Oh, I see. So they. What's the gimmick here? So it's $3.49 each. When you buy 5 or more. That's a new thing. So you're gonna spend 15, 16, 50, 16.50 on 16.50 on Wheat Thins, Ritz, Triscuits. You know, good snacks. You know, it depends also on your diet. Ritz I used to use on fish. So I used to break up my Ritz and put it with butter and a little white wine and put it on my fish. Beautiful. Triscuits are great with a cheese melt. You know, where all sorts of things for hors d'oeuvres. Wheat Thins? I don't know. I don't really know. I'd probably just sitting in front of the tube and eat the whole box. But who wants to do that, right? More sugar. You know, what I do is I drink seltzer, beautiful seltzer. You know, what do we have here? Half and half, lots of sugar. I drink heavy cream, lots of beautiful fat. Heavy cream. I don't do half and half. Too much sugar. Remember, guys, I'm low carb. What is this? Pot pie, pizza. Who knows what the heck's in it and where was it made? You know, 99 cents. It's cheap, but this is part of the Fab 5. Quick foods. Young kids can get away with it. You know, as we get older, us older folks can't really get away with it. Burning up time here. Burning up time. What else do we have? What the heck are they selling down here? Colgate. I heard something about these toothpastes don't help you that much. I mean, it's better than not brushing. But baking soda. I brush with baking soda, coconut oil, and a little mint oil. Okay? And healthy. My dentist said, beautiful. This, the fluoride and all that, believe it or not, fluoride is not healthy for you to be ingesting, you know. Oil pulling, research oil pulling. Beer and wine, we know what that does. Paper products. Paper products are okay. They're not out of control. I don't know what this is. I don't think this is part of the Puffs Plus. What is this? Oh, 6-pack. Remember, paper in the industry is sold by weight. Sold by weight. You know, they say, you know, 100 sheets. Well, if you can see through the sheet, there's not much to it, right? So, paper is sold by weight, guys. Always look at that. Anyhow, I'm getting up to 15 minutes here, and I'm going to have to make another video on food because there's so much to talk about on food. You know, how healthy are these? It's natural, hopefully, in regards to where was it grown. You know, you are what you eat, and the food is where it was grown, you know. Local markets, local places, you know. Cosmic, there's more sugar in these. They say the most beneficial aspect of this is in the skin. All right, guys, gotta go.